Entanglement is a quantum concept that was referred to as spooky action at a distance. One scientist wrote a paper describing how the universe consists of a single electron and everything intimately connected to all atoms and molecules. This was a guy called Richard Hyman. Anyway, zyxgimorphism proposes that entanglement is a result of time being expansion. Before there was time, nothing happened, because events take time. At quantum level, the Higgs boson field, thought expands into an elementary particle with mass that contains the qualities of that thought idea. An idea is communicated as a picture that is delivered as a sound that is written in a code on a two-dimensional surface, so that the idea word is preserved and can be learnt by other sentient electrochemical organisms, humans, with thinking ability. Words and pictures are used to induce complex hormonal disturbance in groups who are exposed to their own environment and ideas that are introduced. Entanglement is therefore considered to be part of the order in the system and stabilizes entropy by reducing the tendency to chaos. Zyxgimorphism is the belief that each human is a unique electrochemical organism that is part of the universal system, and therefore stability is comfort and safety is the result of the removal of threats and change. Entanglement in humans is continued expansion, time, idea, explosion in every part of everything. When two electrochemical organisms exchange ideas, this increases the order in the system and the hormonal sympathy between two parties. This is entanglement and is enhanced by empathy in the individual. Entanglement is not spooky or complicated, as we are all expanding from the start of time itself, and each of us includes all the elements of the original idea. Entanglement equals entropy, equals change, equals expansion, equals time. Politics, however, is the manipulation of masses of people by communicating ideas. Fake ideas are disruptive of the perception of reality and increase order through control of the citizenry. Control is achieved by propaganda, advertising, and brainwashing. It changes the state of chaos into a state of conformity, and this decreases entropy but results in increased human entanglement. Entanglement is a status that cannot be measured, but can be compared with other states of entanglement and expressed as empathy. A person's empathy is relative to another person's empathy or ability to sympathise with the views of others. Entanglement can only be measured when it changes and can only change with time. Like energy, entanglement will fill any void of entanglement because of empathy. Like magnetism, empathy attracts entanglement. Any entanglement will cause hormonal order and reduce discomfort. This increases entropy. Safety is a feeling of comfortable stability that relaxes every electrochemical organism by achieving equilibrium without the flow of energy. Zyxgimorphism observes that each electrochemical organism behaves like an elemental particle and resists external control when in state of chaos. Entanglement. Science is the study of the rules of nature through observation, data gathering with instruments, and repeated experimentation. But entanglement has not been studied this way. Human emotions are not evidence-based. They are subjective and based on personal observation and experience. Social scientists codify the behaviour of humans, and politicians use this information to manipulate citizens. Eugenics is an attempt to increase order and decrease entropy, which is disorder. The laws of nature rule. Entanglement reduces fear and stops the effects of eugenics. Entanglement results from time being expansion from every point in the universe, including you. Humans with empathy acquire comfort and security through entanglement. Entropy is a change of state, and thermodynamics is about heat, that is movement of particles. Entanglement is hormonal equilibrium achieved by communication and entropy.